Am I doing it? Is this CottageCore? Hey guys, it's me, Lisa Schwartz. Welcome back to my channel. You clicked on this video, you know what we're in store for today. I'm going to be doing a mystery box unboxing try-on of all CottageCore clothing. Shout out to Alexa Sunshine 83 who I saw do this video. She originally did it with Y2K clothing and I saw that she also just did a CottageCore one. I didn't watch the CottageCore one because I didn't want to have any preconceived notions as to what I was going to receive in my box, but I just think she's lovely and creative, and so I totally was inspired and am totally stealing her idea, so thank you. I will leave the link below to her video so you can check it out. Anyways, before we dive into the actual box, let's just review what CottageCore is in case you, like I, don't know or didn't know what it was. Alright, according to ye olde Wikipedia, CottageCore is an internet fashion aesthetic that was brought to the world by teenagers and young adults celebrating an idealized rural life. And while homemade clothing is a feature of CottageCore, products including the strawberry dress, which is a dress that I have always wanted but is way too expensive, contains features commonly associated with CottageCore, including a full skirt and sleeve, flounces of tulle, strawberry embroidery reminiscent of both nature and jam making. It often includes lengthy and layered dresses, floral patterns. It's been said that old world feminine shapes and details are integral to this aesthetic. Milkmaid necklines, puff sleeves, ruffles, and prairie-inspired midi dresses. So basically anything flouncy, is flouncy word, anything super girly, florally, like, you know, you're out there milking the cow and making the bread. But like in a fashion sense, you know? If you watched, I did a video, Millennial Trying Gen Z Fashion Trends, and I did try to do a bit of CottageCore. It didn't go so great, but I do feel like I have pieces in my wardrobe that kind of could be styled or could be considered CottageCore. But I am excited to have a full new box of stuff that hopefully will work and I will hopefully end up loving. So not only is this my first time doing a mystery box in forever, but this is actually my first time ordering off of Depop. Like I said, I watched Alexa Sunshine's first video where she did this with the Y2K mystery box, and so I just went directly to the person whom she got that box from, and that's where I noticed that this person also was offering different kinds of mystery boxes. So I'll leave all the information below, but her name is Becky B. That's her shop on Depop, and she has a Y2K mystery bundle, a CottageCore mystery bundle, light academia, dark academia, and streetwear bundle. She also has a full store, and I thought her prices were pretty good. I paid $70 for this mystery box, and when it came I was a little alarmed because it's so small, but I feel like I have faith in her. And full disclosure, I reached out and said I saw Alexa doing this video, and so I wanted to do the same video. So she does know that we will be unboxing on camera. Whether that, you know, changes what she puts inside or not, we'll never quite know, but I just wanted to let you guys know that. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy up and see what we got. What I really liked is when you order the mystery box, you give her your sizes. If you have a Pinterest page, you give her that so she can kind of get an idea of what you like. So not only is she trying to get you the CottageCore look, but she's trying to also make it work for you, your body type, and your style. So I gave her all my sizes and I told her that I don't have a Pinterest for my style, but basically I either like to look like I'm a doll from the 60s or a boy from the 80s. And she totally was with me on that. So a little card, love that. Thank you for letting me style you. I hope you're able to live out your frolicking fantasies in these pieces. That's really quite cute. Yee, I'm excited. Okay, so here is what it looks like. She did a incredible job packaging everything. Ooh, I see shoes in there. Eek! Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna just unbox everything and then we'll go ahead and try everything on. Usually I will unbox, try on, but I don't know what's in here and I don't know how they're all gonna go together, so let's just take a look. So she did a darling job wrapping each individual piece. I feel some boning in here. So that, oh my god. I'm officially cool. I'm officially a fashion guru because literally everyone has one of these. This is so incredibly darling. A beautiful corset. It definitely actually looks like it's gonna fit me perfectly. I know that people have been wearing these over t-shirts, over dresses, like, I don't know how to style this, but hopefully the other pieces in here will help me. This is absolutely gorgeous. Love. Oh, let's see if we can see the brand and size. Oh my God, this is Avon Fashions, which I think literally is such an old brand. And this is a size 36, which should be perfect for me. Oh, honestly love this. Already off to a great start. Oh, I can see the shoes and I'm so excited. We might just have to pull them out next because I can't keep looking at them and not actually pull them out and fully look at them. I'm very excited. You know what? There's something like about other people shopping for you that's so fun. Like, obviously mystery box is fun because you don't know what you're gonna get, but having someone like take the time to really try to pick out great pieces for you is so fun. I'm sick of picking out my own pieces. Also, I love thrifted clothing because for some reason I feel like other people's clothes always fit me better than my own clothes. So here is, I love in this color. It's definitely a color I don't have in my wardrobe. Oh, wait, is this, oh, okay. Here she is. This is a romper. I wasn't sure if it was a shirt or a dress or what, but it is an actual short romper. And if you watched my video last week, I think it was last week, 2 weeks ago, you know that me and short rompers don't usually get along, but I love the off the shoulder, just as we were describing while reading the CottageCore. It's like that flouncy, fluffy, that poof sleeve thing off the shoulder. I always love this stretchy material. It always is flattering. I like the color. I'm not sure if this is gonna work in terms of length, but I'm definitely excited to give it a try. It's a nice piece and that should be fun for the summer. The brand is called She and Sky and it's in a small, oh, I hope this works. I actually think that's really quite cute. All right, we're gonna do it. We're gonna pull out the shoes. I know I should have pulled out the shoes last, but these, it really simply does not get more CottageCore than this. These are adorable. I feel like they're a little bit of a witch shoe, okay? I definitely feel they're a little witchy, but I think the brown makes them a lot more gentle than if they were in a black, but I do like these. They're, a teenager, that's not probably how you say it. I don't know what size they are, but they look about right. They kind of look like a costume shoe, but I think for the purposes of CottageCore, they're definitely gonna work. I also like the color choice of the shoe lace. Actually, it kind of looks cute with this. Okay, okay. All right, we have 2 more pieces. Oh, I'm hoping it all works. Oh, don't even need to open this and I already love it because this color is everything. Oh, this has boning in it too. I love when things come with boning because then I usually don't have to wear a bra. Okay, except this boning is like, okay, who are you? What are you? So this is another off the sleeve corset underneath type shirt. I think the boning just needs to be like readjusted, kind of like flopping in and out. This is one of those things we're gonna have to see on, but I love this. I will wear this all summer long. This is definitely very me. I feel like I probably already had a shirt like this at one point in time. This brand is called Dance and Marvel. I don't know what size it is, but it looks like a small and it's pretty adorable. I like this. Okay, there's gotta be something floral print, right? No floral print, I can't believe it. However, oh my God, this is from Charlotte Russe, which makes me laugh. And here is this darling white summer dress, which I feel like actually is going to be perfect for this summer, especially if I can get married. This would be like a fun, you know, like rehearsal dinner type thing. But regardless, it's great for the summer. Super cute. I don't find any of these pieces to be like over the top CottageCore. Like I feel like this is like more CottageCore than this kind of stuff, but let's just try it on, try to style it and see how we do. I gotta say for $75, I don't know, maybe I need to try it on first. This is definitely worth it all, I'm thinking, but let's just give it a go and see how we do. Okay, I think it's safe to say that we're off to a terrible start. Okay, actually from here, it looks really cute. Like I actually really like the top, and I'm wondering if I can somehow just turn it into a shirt. But as I suspected, me and short rompers just aren't friends. Like this is so short that if I turn around, I'll probably get demonetized, so I'm not going to. I mean, maybe it's cute as like pajamas, like cottagecore pajamas, but yeah, there's no way in which I'm gonna be able to wear this out in public. Even if it was just like a cover up for a swimsuit, I just don't think it really works. I really do like the top though. Oh man. If it was just like a tad longer and maybe just a dress, not little shorts, it would be fine. But yeah, this is definitely like a no-go, but I am inspired by the top, and now I feel like I can be on the lookout for tops like this because I do think it's quite cute. But yeah, she's a no-go, and she does not feel like bacon bread or milking a cow. She feels like taking this off and put it on pants. So, I mean, there's really not much more to say about that, my friends. Let's keep going. All right, I'm doing this a little bit out of order, but I figured since we were doing one pieces, I would try this. This is a little bit better. This doesn't feel cottagecore to me. I mean, I guess this is. It just feels like a cheap dress from Charlotte Russe. It's cute. I did tell her I tend to fit better into teen clothes because I am so short. But this is, again, like so short. It's better than the last one, and I definitely think I will get some use out of this. It's a cute beach cover up. It gets really hot here in LA, so if you just need to throw something on, it's just a little bit short. I don't know. It's cute. I really like this off the shoulder thing. I tend to like off the shoulder just generally speaking. I actually think this would be cute with cowboy boots. I don't know. What do you guys think? Am I striking out? I kind of feel like I am. Ooh, you know what though? I feel like in every video I pull these out, I've been looking for something to style with these yellow Jeffrey Campbells, and this is definitely a dress that I could do that with. So if nothing else, this dress is worth it because I have not been able to figure out how to style these shoes. So we'll take that. Do I look cottagecore? I just figured this is the pose that cottagecore ladies do. Am I allowed to be a little bit sad about this? Let's keep going. Maybe we'll do better in the next thing. Okay, this is interesting. I have realized that I don't know how to style cottagecore, and I guess I was hoping that this would help me a little bit, but I just ended up pairing this with a pair of my favorite blue corduroys. They're like flared pants that I got from Free People. This top isn't bad. I actually kind of like it. I feel like I used to wear shirts like this all the time, and eventually like the boning would pop out and I would have to get rid of the shirt. So I'm happy to see this. It's a little bit big in here, so I think I actually probably should be wearing a bra underneath, or maybe there's a way to fix it to just kind of put in new boning. I'm trying to look around and see if I could figure out a better way to style this and what else I would add to make it feel more cottagecore. Let me try this skirt on. All right, let's take a look. This is kind of cuter, I guess, than the pants. Like, ideally, I would probably wear the pants in real life, but if we're going for more of a cottagecore type of thing, this has a little bit more of that, like, dainty lady kind of thing. Yeah, I wonder if I could, oh. It's hard through the viewfinder, but I feel like that might be even cuter. Okay, actually, I just looked in the mirror and I don't love it with this, but I do like the idea that you can tuck it in. I would even maybe crop it, like crop it to where the boning ends. Oh, wait. Hold up. I've been seeing a lot of people tuck into their bras, which I think is brilliant, instead of getting it hemmed. Yeah, maybe that's a little bit cuter. I don't know. I think it's just one of those things that you have to play around with. But yeah, again, it's a little bit big. I don't know, I'm not like super impressed. I didn't want to be, because this girl is awesome and her shop is awesome and her communication is awesome. But I feel like maybe I just kind of struck out and perhaps didn't like give the right sizes or didn't really explain exactly what I was looking for. But let's keep going. I'm really hopeful about the corset, and fingers crossed. Okay. I actually think that we can work with this, ladies and gentlemen. So here is the corset. I think it's adorable. I had to Google legit like how to style a white corset specifically for CottageCore because I think normally I might wear this with like a blazer over it and jeans, and I feel like that's super chic. Although it is very sheer, so nipples are a problem. So what I ended up doing is I got this great shirt from Zara that I haven't worn yet. It's a bandeau top. You could see it ends right here, and I am absolutely obsessed with it. The puff sleeves are obviously the staple of CottageCore, and so then I layered it with the corset, and the corset is adorable. I love it. The only thing I will say is that the cup size is a little bit big for me. I feel like this is a piece that is definitely worth investing in terms of getting it taken in just a little, like altered. I feel like you could just kind of get this pinned in a little bit so it holds in the top of the cup. But it's actually pretty cute, and I don't mind it with this skirt. I think it kind of works. The irony of this skirt and also the shirt that I was wearing before is that I got both of the items from Cider. I've made 2 videos trying Cider clothing, and in the first video I gave it such a hard time, and now ironically I'm wearing their clothes more often than not. So this is all to say, like, even if today I'm reviewing some of these items, after you have them in your closet for a little bit and you have a little bit more time to play around with them, sometimes these items come back around and you're like, actually maybe that yellow shirt is gonna be a staple in my wardrobe. It's just, this is all, again, just like first impressions. But this is all to say, I do really like this corset, and I will definitely be keeping this and trying to figure out different ways to style it. I think it's just super fun and chic, and what I like about the white is it's not like so over the top, right? Like even in this kind of setting, it's still classy, and it doesn't look like, oh my god, she's wearing a corset. It just kind of adds a little flavor to the top in general, and I do think it actually works really nicely with this shirt underneath. So I probably will keep these together as a pair. I did try on the shoes, and I don't want to lift my legs too high. They're cute, they're fine. I don't like them styled with this outfit necessarily, but I do think that if I put some cute little frilly socks on, that they would look cute with maybe a different outfit. So yeah, here we are. Overall, I would say that this experience was fun, if nothing more than that, you know what I mean? Like, was it worth $75? The experience itself probably was. Were these clothes, do these clothes add up to $75 worth of stuff and uses that I'm gonna get out of them? Hard to say. Like, probably I will most likely use the corset and that white dress the most, maybe the yellow shirt. So I don't know, I guess I'll have to like kind of check back in with myself in like a month and see how these items end up working. Would I do another mystery box? Would you want to see me do another mystery box? It would definitely be for a whole different style. I don't know. I just don't know. Maybe one more just for fun. I don't know. This was fun. I hope that you guys enjoy this. I will leave all the information below if you do want to check out or get your own mystery box. Just know that like some pieces, like in any mystery box, some things you're gonna love, some things you're not gonna love, but it's more about the experience. And also the thing that I like about Depop, as far as I can tell, is that we're supporting people who have like their own little small businesses by doing this. And I think for all the times that I have bought fast fashion or bought from big brands, I am more than willing and more than happy to be giving to individuals who are working hard to make a living. A positive out of a negative short romper. You know what I mean? Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit me up on Instagram and let me know what kind of videos you want to see next. And I'll see you next week. Okay, bye.